What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Migo Cinco, you know what I'm saying? Today's video, as y'all can tell by the thumbnail, it's a DIY of me personally washing my car. So y'all gonna see a little snippets in there where I wasn't talking that much and all of that, but just stay tuned to the whole video. Make sure you watch the whole video. Don't forget, you know, hit the subscribe button, comment, like, and things of that nature. Let's get straight into the video. This is my first time using this stuff right here. It's supposed to be really good for ceramic coating, so you know what I'm saying. Y'all know that I got this car ceramic coated, so we're gonna, let's say you're supposed to put like a couple drops in there, but I like to have my car clean, so this is what we're gonna do. Gonna put that much in there, and I'm gonna add the water to it, let y'all see how it foam up. Y'all see it right there, very foamy for now, I guess. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna use this brush, you know, dip it in the water, get all the dirt and stuff off of it and things of that nature. Y'all see that? Now this is what I'm about to do. I'm about to spray the car down. Now what we're gonna do, dip this and this right there. Look, dirty brush back into the water. Now let's spray this thing off, man. Let's spray it off. So boom, man. It's that simple, but I'm about to show y'all the whole car process, so just stick around for the whole video. Good, how you doing? That's my neighbor.
Wash the paint off that car, you know that?
Yeah, it's hard to keep white clean. Real hard to keep white clean.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Listen, man. He say this every time he see me, that I'm gonna wash the paint off my car. So, it's mine. He mad? I think he mad because he ain't got it. He can afford it. I just think he just mad because he don't got what I got. And I'm young. But back to the video. Hey man, say man, I normally use my pressure washer too, but I didn't feel like pulling it out, making a bunch of noise. It's early. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. I want to start this early to get it out the way because I have another video for y'all after this video. So let's finish washing this car, man, so we get this thing done. Now we get down to the easy part, drying it off. Hey man, that's it for this video. I'm tired. Make sure y'all watch the whole video too, man. But with that being said, make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe, and we out.